In today's video, I'm going to teach you the way that you can fix the TikTok account temporarily blocked issue. If you're having issues with your TikTok account where you aren't able to access it and the only information that you have is that it is temporarily blocked, in today's video, let me show you the way that you can fix this issue. Now, if you cannot open up the app of TikTok, what you can do is open up a web browser and then we'll need to report a problem directly to TikTok. So make sure you open up a browser of your choice. And then you simply need to search for TikTok report a problem. As soon as you do that, you'll be able to see the first link which says report a problem, and you'll be taken to a new page which you can then fill in this form. So first of all, you need to select a topic. For this issue, you need to select the first option, which is the account access option. Secondly, you'll also need to select a category, which is likely gonna be the login issue. Now, once this information you've added in, a new form will open up where you'll need to fill in further information such as your username, your email address, and a few other information. So make sure you enter all of these information correctly. Furthermore, if you do know other information such as your sign up date, the exact month and the year that you created your TikTok account, it's going to be easier for TikTok to recover your account. So if you do know the information, make sure you add it in. You can also add in the sign up region and other few information such as the device you use, your email address or your phone number that is linked with your TikTok account. And lastly, you need to enter in your contact email so that TikTok can contact you via your email. And you'll also need to add in the additional information. So make sure you add in the exact detail, the exact issue that you're facing currently with your TikTok account. Once you add in everything, you also do have the option of adding in an image. So you can also add in the screenshot of the page that you're currently getting inside of your TikTok app, and then you can just hit that submit button. So these are the steps that you can follow in order for you to fix the TikTok account temporarily blocked issue. If this video did help you out, do let us know. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.